I will talk about how can you change password on your Costco app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you click here on account details, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here, just waiting to open with you. So that like you see, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here, you come here to password, you click here on edit here. So when you just click on edit here, so then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here, so you click here on send verification code, and it's going to take you to reset your password on your Costco app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.